Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 portable bicycle. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is electric bike for adults. Specifications. Brand name, no. Bike suspension types, bidirectional. Braking system, double disc brake. Wheel size, 20-inch. Applicable people, unisex. Rim material, steel. Fork material, steel. Frame material, steel. Type, folding electromobile. Item number 4 is, Grills Mini Folding Bike. Specifications. Brand name, Oni. Model, GRY097. Bike suspension types, twist grip. Pedal type, ordinary pedal. Frame type, hard frame, non-rear damper. Braking system, V-brake, disc brake. Wheel size, 20-inch. Front fork type, cane dampfung. Net weight, 13 kilograms. Applicable people, unisex. Rim material, steel. Fork material, steel. Frame material, carbon steel. Type, folding bicycle. As the item number 3 we've selected, Zucca 24-inch folding bike. Specifications. Brand name, Zucca. Pedal type, ordinary pedal. Frame type, full shocking-proof frame. Braking system, double disc brake. Wheel size, 24-inch. Stature, 160 to 185 centimeters. Length, 161 centimeters. Applicable people, unisex. Rim material, aluminum alloy. Fork material, aluminum alloy. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Type, folding bicycle. Load capacity, 150 kilograms. Gross weight, 14 kilograms. Item number 2 is, Cross Life Folding Bicycle. Specifications. Brand name, SMVP. Model number, CR091. Load capacity, 160 kilograms. Frame type, hard frame. Braking system, V-brake, disc brake. Front fork type, spring fork. Applicable people, unisex. Rim material, magnesium alloy. Fork material, magnesium alloy. Frame material, steel. Type, folding bicycle. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Grills Fashion Folding Bicycle. Specifications. Brand name, Oni. Bike suspension types, twist grip. Load capacity, 100 kilograms. Pedal type, ordinary pedal. Frame type, hard frame, non-rear damper. Braking system, double disc brake. Wheel size, 16-inch. Applicable people, unisex. Rim material, steel. Fork material, steel. Frame material, steel. Type, folding bicycle.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.